Hope you are doing amazing. What is up, guys? In this video, we are going to show you the fastest way to do your Neopets dailies. Now, if you're a bit new or you just came back to the game after decades of not playing Neopets and you want to do your dailies and you want to earn money slowly, the best way is go to jellyneo.net dailies. As you can see here, this is all the dailies you can do, right? And you can get the scratch cards immediately. And these are the popular games that you can play for more cash and some NP required when it comes to like doing these quests to earn more money. Now, if you're gonna do your freebies, your games, for example, what I do is these ones: anchor management, apple bobbing, bank interest, full sunshine, council member, council chamber, daily quest, deadly dice if it's around, if the count is awake, fruit machine, grumpy old king, meteor, mystery neg, rich lord, Simmel hole, and all of these, right? So how do you do this? Very easy. Just open tabs and wait for them to like load. Sometimes it is slow when a lot of people are using Neopets because they have not really updated their site. So as you can see here, it is slow. All right, there you go. So when it comes to the bank, just click collect interest, let it do it. Bob for apples, fire. As you can see here, collected 16K because I do have 50 million. And then this is not assured. Sometimes you get something, sometimes you don't. I got rotten apple, and then I get pirate charney. So once you do that, just keep doing it by threes. That's what I do. Cult Shrine, Council Chamber, Daily Puzzle, and so on and so forth. And then you'll be able to collect everything within not even 20 minutes. Depends how fast your internet connection is, and depends how many people are using Neopets, the website. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.